Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to check the RAM type on your Windows computer, whether it is DDR3, DDR4 or DDR5 using a free tool called CPU-Z. This method is very easy and also shows many other details about your system memory. So let's get started. First you need to navigate to this one website, CPU ID. That link will be provided in this one video description. After that you can download the setup file or a zip file and then install in your computer. After installing this one CPU-Z application, open it by double clicking on it. Once this one CPU-Z application opens, switch to the memory tab. Here you will find type of DDR such as DDR3, DDR4 or DDR5. You can also check other useful information here, including the size of the RAM, channels mode and frequency. If you want more details about each memory module, switch to the SPD tab. From here you can see the RAM manufacturer, part number, maximum bandwidth and other technical details for each slot. You can change this one slot from here, and that's it. This is how you can easily check the RAM type of a Windows PC using CPU-Z. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.